Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is March 15th, 2018. What's good with you people? We got a song request today coming from Oscar Koch. He wanted me to play some Pete Rock, What You're Waiting For instrumental. So that's what we're rocking out to today. This is groovy. I like this. Got me in a nice mellow mood. So mellow, I shaved my head. I shaved my face, y'all. I got the booty face now. What's going on, people? Yes, I have shaved my face and just got to reset. That's all. My hair grows so fast. I'll have a face full of hair in, I don't know, like 10 days. So no worries, no worries. Beard gang. I'm coming back, beard gang. I'm coming back. But hopefully you guys are doing well this morning. Aside from the crypto markets, that is, for sure. We're going to take a look at the market cap. We are currently sitting at $322 billion. Bitcoin's dominance increasing as we plunge lower and lower because we just have so much faith in Bitcoin. We're just going to pile into Bitcoin on the way down, huh? Sitting at 42.3% or 42.6%, I should say, and we've got a sea of red, people. An absolute sea of red. So only thing I see up is Ethereum Classic just shy of 1%, and I'm sure Tether is probably near or around unchanged or unched, as we used to call it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that candlestick charting analysis, people. And here we are. It looks like we've bounced near, very close off of my line. That's about 100 points away. I don't think this is over. I think we're going to actually make a true test, because the bounce off of that area wasn't that significant. And usually on the 1 hour, it forms, it doesn't just do a V-shape recovery from the low. So it may do this, come back down some more. Let me just give you guys what. So it may bounce off like that. It'll look like a V, and it'll come down like this, and then go up, something like that, you know. So that's normally what happens. It doesn't form a V shape, rarely on a 1 hour. For sure on a 1 hour. On a day chart, possibly that will play out, but on a 1 hour, almost never. So let's go ahead. I haven't looked at the day chart in a long time, so let's go ahead and do that just to get a feel for what's going on. I haven't looked at this in a while. It's been over a month or so. So let's just do that right now. So yeah, let me zoom in. So if we can stay, if you look at this day chart candle for today, if we stay like this, we close like this or near it, that's a good bullish indication. If you're reading charts, or I should say, if you're reading candles alone. So there are different ways in technical analysis. You can incorporate many different techniques, which many pros do. One being actual candle reading. There is a method to reading candles, actually. They mean something. When a candle closes and the next candle forms, that previous candle is telling a story. And so this would tell us a little story if it closed like this. All right. But we'll just keep an eye on it. I'm not too sure if we'll close like that today, but hopefully this is a trend line that should, if I go back far enough, the trend line that should not be broken. Okay, it should not be broken, because if it does break, we are in some huge trouble, people. Huge trouble. I mean, the next support, like major support resistance area, is around 5,100. This is a support area as well. This is a Fibonacci extension level at 6,660, or 6,600 I should say. But I'm not too sure we're going to do that. I'm thinking we're going to stay, you know, we could even possibly trade in this little range right here, so forming a pennant. So on the day chart, you know, we could do something like this and then break out. So let's just keep an eye on it. Definitely, guys, if you are listening to this, make sure you sign up and follow my TradingView chart or my account. I'll leave the link to that in the video. And yeah, you can keep up to date with my analysis on Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. If you need any other analysis, you will have to pay for that, and I've shown you a couple times. I'm going to try to make sure I do a better job at that. But if you go to cryptoblood.io, click on TA services. I'm just going to walk you through this because it is a little confusing. I'll have to reprogram this form a little bit. But so the first three options here are actual, you're paying for technical analysis on a particular crypto asset, okay, or cryptocurrency. That's what these three, the first three are. The last one is an actual course, a mini course, up to your discretion on what you want, but this is a 30 to 45 minute video that will help explain, you know, questions or a particular topic you may have regarding TA, technical analysis, and trading. I'll do a customized video on that particular subject. So that, I just wanted to clarify that for you guys. But again, welcome, and glad you guys are here. We're going to go ahead and look at today an article out of Cointelegraph, and it's referring to I guess there was a bug in SegWit wallets on Coinbase. So we're going to look at that. I think they fixed it, but before we do that, let's go ahead and look at actual SegWit adoption rates, because they're at near highs. Currently the adoption is around 32%. I think the high was roughly 32% and some change. So it, you know, this area right here, people, was when Coinbase actually came online with SegWit, and it's kind of been topsy-turvy, but hovering around 30%, I would say. So there you have it. With that, let's go ahead and take a look at that article, why don't we? The article is from, again, it's from Cointelegraph, and it says here, Coinbase wallet fixes SegWit implementation bug, refunds affected users. So it says here, the Coinbase wallet and exchange service has fixed a bug. So it says here, the Coinbase wallet and exchange service has fixed a bug in the payment gateway system, which caused users to lose their funds from Bitcoin transactions via the platform. The issue emerged 2 weeks after the cryptocurrency exchange announced the launch of the segregated witness support for its transactions. In a Reddit post on March 12th, Coinbase user Dazzling Substance shared a problem with the platform's payment gateway when it failed to send Bitcoin to a merchant. The user suggested that the bug was caused by a problem in the Bitcoin payment protocol, BIP70, that provides communication between merchants and customers. Dazzling Substance suggested that the Coinbase team might have missed the update of the BIP70 protocol, subsequently causing the loss of coins he attempted to send. It says here, the Coinbase team promptly commented on the issue, to Cointelegraph stating that the BIP70 payment protocol update has been implemented, but the problem emerged because the payment address requested was not SegWit compatible. A Coinbase spokesman stated that the issue has affected less than 30 customers and has been immediately fixed. So it says here's, as soon as we were notified about the issue, we started working to resolve, and the issue was fixed. So they fixed it within hours, it looks like. So the BIP70 protocol was introduced by Bitcoin developers Gavin Andreessen in July of 2013 in order to improve Bitcoin payment services and provide safer transactions, preventing man-in-the-middle attacks. On December 14th, the U.S. payment processor BitPay announced that it will require Bitcoin payment protocol compatible wallets in order to resolve users' payment problems such as underpayments and overpayments. On January 10th, BitPay acknowledged that some of the users have been inconvenienced by the requirement when they had to switch to BIP70 compatible wallets listed on BitPay's support page. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys an update on that and let you know. Most of you probably weren't even affected by that, but I wanted to drop that bit of news on you so you would stay abreast to what's going on in the crypto community. Again, you know, SegWit adoption. If any of you are techies out there, let me know at what percentage does SegWit adoption need to be at. We're currently at 32% roughly. What percentage do we need to be at to make Lightning Network, when that's ready, make that efficient and usable across the networks? I don't know personally, so someone drop a line in the description or comment section, I should say, of this video and let me know, because I would love to know. I'm curious to know what that number is, because I believe that we need SegWit adoption fully implemented to run Lightning in an effective way. So that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you do subscribe, click that bell. And oh, don't forget, get over to cryptoblood.io under apparel, copy one of those shirts. We got some WinWebBot tees. Those have been a hot item, and some Hotto is my motto. So yeah, check us out, people. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out. Holla. This Pete Rock is nice.